for IOCM 2026. So there are certain students who might want a lot of solved examples. IOCM particularly consists of these four major topics. Now, what are the books for grade 7th, 8th, 9th? So again, in books, मैंने different headers में डाल दिया. So again, there are different books. How to use books? Okay, so this is how you use any book which has concepts. Hi everyone, good evening, Jai Hind. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about the best books for IOCM 2026. This is one session which I make every year, and it is particularly on the demands of students who keep on asking me about these books. Now, let me tell you about the philosophy. Whenever an author writes a book, he has certain audience in his mind. So every book is written for a certain kind of audience. So that means for these kind of exams which are difficult in nature, there is no particular one book which suits everyone, right? So depending on the logical abilities, depending on how good the child is, the student is, there are different books suitable for everyone, right? So it is unlike your school exams wherein one particular book like R.D. Sharma is suitable for everyone, right? So ऐसा नहीं होता है इन तरह के exams के अंदर. So everyone has different learning styles, everyone has different learning capabilities. So there are certain students who might want a lot of solved examples to gain confidence, right? And there are certain students who are able to grasp the concept very quickly, very easily, and they want to directly go to good level problems, right? So there are certain problems which have a lot of solved examples. There are certain books which have a lot of unsolved problems. There are certain books which are only problem oriented, right? So depending on what your needs are, there are different kinds of books. So let us start this particular session. So start करने से पहले let me also tell you about the syllabi. So syllabus of IOCM particularly consists of these four major topics: algebra, geometry, combinatorics and number theory. And ये जो syllabus है ये HPCSE website से लिया गया, right? So algebra में inequalities, progressions, theory of indices, system of equations, theory of equations, binomial theorem, properties of coefficients, complex numbers, polynomials, functional equation जो है although दिया हुआ है, but again it is has never come in IOCM, barring the simple problems, right? So Cauchy functional equation and beyond नहीं जाते हैं, बहुत simple problems functional equations के ऊपर आते हैं. And sequences, plane geometry, triangle, quadrilateral circles, Euclidean constructions, concurrency, trigonometric identities, compound angle, sin, cosine rule, coordinate geometry, इन सब के ऊपर बहुत अच्छे questions आए हुए हैं, regularly आते रहते हैं. Combinatorics, basic enumeration, pigeonhole principle, recurrence and graph theory के ऊपर IOCM पे question नहीं आया, INMO पे आते हैं. And number theory, division algorithm, GCD, Euclidean algorithm, Diophantine equations, congruence, CRT, Fermat's, Wilson, Euler's five function, Pythagorean triplets. यहाँ पर भी CRT और Wilson के ऊपर इतने ज्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं है, बाकी टॉपिक्स इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, अब इन टॉपिक्स को पढ़ने के लिए, प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए कौन कौन से बुक्स हैं? अपार्ट फ्रॉम बुक्स, व्हाट आर the important sources? Now books are really important, particularly for these exams, because psychologically it gives you edge, it gives you confidence. तुम्हारे दिमाग के अंदर कहीं ना कहीं ये message जाता है कि हाँ, this is one book that you have already completed, so it gives you a confidence which only by watching the YouTube videos or only by the lectures you might not get, right? So books important है. अगर किसी बुक को एक पूरा का पूरा किसी बुक को या सेट को कंप्लीट कर ले तो it gives you huge amount of confidence which cannot be compared. Okay, now IOCM preparation best resources हमने यहाँ पर क्या किया है? इनको दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है. So one category would be for the grade students of grade 7th, 8th and 9th. The other category would be for the students of grade 10th, 11th and 12th. इन दोनों के लिए अलग अलग बुक्स हैं, because जैसे जैसे तुम मैथ्स पढ़ते हो, मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ते हो, वैसे वैसे तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ता है, you know more things, and hence the book requirement also keeps on differing. So start करते हैं 7th, 8th, 9th से. What are the best book recommendations and study resources? तो हमने जितने भी बुक्स हैं जो इस कैटेगरी के अंदर चाहिए होती हैं, उनको डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स के अंदर डाल दिया है. सो अगेन, किस बुक के अंदर थ्योरी है, किस बुक के अंदर सॉल्व एग्जांपल है, किस बुक के अंदर अनसॉल्व एग्जांपल है, उसका डिफिकल्टी लेवल क्या है, राइट? तो सबसे पहला हम 7th, 8th, 9th के जो चीज बोलते हैं, दैट इज स्टेज 0. दैट इज you have to complete the syllabi till 8, 9, 10th class. So NCERT of grade 8, 9, 10, the NCERT exemplar of grade 8, 9, 10, and R.D. Sharma of 8, 9, 10. This is stage 0. So again, totally dependent on, अगर तुम्हें NCERT से कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता है तो ये सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है. बट बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं कि NCERT में इतना ज्यादा नहीं दिया होता है, they want to explore more, तो NCERT exemplar या फिर R.D. Sharma टाइप की बुक्स कर सकते हैं, so to give them more exposure to these. So this is stage 0. ये अभी IOCM का प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट भी नहीं हुआ. This is stage 0. This is a basic thing that you need to do before getting into the IOCM preparation. Now, what are the books for grade 7th, 8th, 9th? So again, in books को मैंने different headers में डाल दिया. So again, there are different books. So this is part 1. So books are VOS, IOQM book, CTPCM, that is Challenges and Thrills of Pre-College Mathematics, Higher Algebra by Hall and Knight, Problem Primer. This is part 1. अभी part 2 और part 3 आने वाले हैं. तो यहाँ पे बताया गया कि किस बुक में थ्योरी है, किस में डिटेल थ्योरी है, किस में ब्रीफ थ्योरी है, किस में ट्रिक्स दिए हुए हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल VOS IOQM बुक में थ्योरी है, सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स हैं, प्रॉब्लम प्रैक्टिस है, आंसर्स हैं, सॉल्यूशंस हैं, एंड टॉपिक्स ये चारों के चारों कवर किए गए. एंड लेवल इज मीडियम. ओके. CTPCM Challenges and Thrills of Pre-College Mathematics is one of the finest books. In fact, ये बुक ऐसी है जो हमारे टाइम पे हम भी पढ़ते थे जब हम प्रिपरेशन करते थे. So the theory is detailed. It is amazing. Solve examples are lot. Practice problems are yes. Answers कम है and solutions नहीं है. ठीक है. Solutions are not there. This is the only disadvantage that CTPCM has. Topics जिसके लिए तुम्हें पढ़नी चाहिए ज्योमेट्री एंड अलजेब्रा. सो ज्योमेट्री काफी डिटेल में दी हुई है, अलजेब्रा काफी डिटेल में दिया हुआ है. हाँ की बाकी टॉपिक्स भी दिए हुए हैं, बट अगेन ज्योमेट्री के लिए CTPCM अगर बेसिक से डेवलप करना इज अ वेरी गुड बुक. एंड ऑल्सो अलजेब्रा द लेवल इज ऑल्सो मीडियम. हॉल एंड नाइट बाय हायर अलजेब्रा बाय हॉल एंड नाइट. थ्योरी इज वेरी ब्रीफ, सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स वेरी फ्यू, practice problems are there, answers are not, solutions are not, and this is majorly done for algebra. The level is again medium. Problem Primer is again one of the books which is recommended by HBCSE. यहाँ पे थ्योरी नहीं है, but there are certain tricks for solving. Solve examples नहीं है, but practice problem है. 25 for every topic. There are answers, there are solutions also, and it covers all the 4 basic things. The level is medium. So if you want, you can take the screenshot of this. I'll move on to part 2. So part 2, Elementary Number Theory by David Burton. Theory is detailed, and it is one of the best books for number theory. I would recommend, particularly the first 5 chapters. Solve examples are less, practice problems are there, answers are there, solutions are not there in CTC, or very few solutions are there. Topic is number theory, the level is difficult. Mathematical circles, the theory is not there, but very few. I mean, so they have explained very brief theory for every topic. Solve examples are very less, practice problems are there, yes, answers are yes, solutions there are brief explanation at the end. And particularly this book is one of the best books. It is the kind of books which should be there in yourself for life. ठीक है, अगर तुम्हें अपना लॉजिक बढ़ाते रहना है तो ये ऐसी बुक है जो even after getting into the college, even after passing out of the college, this book should be there in yourself. So whenever you feel like doing some interesting problem, you can always pick this book. And even if you've solved that problem before, again you'll be surprised कि दोबारा से उस प्रॉब्लम को देखने का नजरिया बदल जाएगा if you do the same problem even after 4 months or 5 months. Combinatorics and number theory के लिए बुक जानी जाती है, and level is medium. And then Pathfinder Junior, the theory is detailed, solve examples are a lot, practice problems are there, answers are there, solutions are there, covers all the 4 topics, and the level is medium. Right? So if you want, you can take the screenshot of this as well. Part 3, then Problem Plus by A. Das Gupta. This is one of the subjective books normally referred to for IIT JEE preparation. Theory, there are important points, not very detailed theory, but it has very good solved examples. So a lot of solved examples, amazing solved examples there. In fact, this is one of the books wherein the solved examples are more difficult than the unsolved ones. Right? So बहुत अच्छे solved examples and detailed solved examples, and this is although this book also contains the topics which are not a part of IOQM, but only for IOQM purpose also you can use this book. Their answers, solutions are not there for the unsolved problems. The topics for which this book is recommended is algebra, combinatorics, and functions. Difficult level, particularly solved examples are really difficult. And then excursion in mathematics, theory is there, solved examples are there, problem practice is there, answers are there, solutions are partial, and book is recommended for all the 4 topics. Level is medium, and this is also one of the books which is recommended by HBCSE. Now, apart from this, the PYQs, previous year questions for which grades students of grade 7th, 8th, 9th should be doing. One is particularly for 8th grades, AMC grade 8, AMC 8 book, AMC 8 previous year questions, particularly the last 5 or 6 problems. तो लास्ट का जो 5 से 6 प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं हर एएमसी पेपर के, रियली गुड. स्पेंड टाइम, ये मैं उन बच्चों के लिए बोल रहा हूँ जो 8th क्लास में है या फिर 9th में है और इतना ज्यादा एक्सपोजर नहीं है ओलंपियाड्स के अंदर. दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज गोइंग टू रियली हेल्प. Second is IOQM previous year questions. So IOQM previous year questions, so yeah, the must have if you're preparing for exam like IOQM, this is something that you have to do. And NMTC sub junior. So sub junior is particularly for grade 7th and 8th. अगर तुम फर्स्ट टाइम इस एग्जाम को दे रहे हो एंड देयर इज नो एक्सपोजर, this is where you start from, and if you're comfortable with this, then you can also do NMTC junior previous year questions. Okay, there are certain grade 11th topics which are a part of IOQM, which are not there in the general books of grade 8, 9, 10th. One is trigonometry, as you would have seen initial syllabus के अंदर trigonometry का काफी बड़ा रोल था. Functions is something that you need to know what are functions. Arithmetic progressions, geometric progressions is something that you need to do from grade 11th books. Although AP is a part of grade 10th also, but GP, HP, telescoping ये सब तुम्हें grade 11 से पढ़ना है. Permutation combination, again, it is not there up till grade 10th. Most of the Indian books of almost all boards, उनके अंदर ये जो चैप्टर है combinatorics या permutation combination grade 11th के अंदर आता है. This is something that you need to do. Set theory, basic idea of set theory should be known, and the basics of straight lines and circles, this is an optional thing. इतने ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते हैं कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री से, बट ये चीज अगर पता है तो देन ऑफ कोर्स इट इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी योर एडवांटेज. Okay, now we come to grade 10th, 11th, 12th. What are the books recommended for grade 10th, 11th, 12th? Now 10th, 11th, 12th में, I mean the students who are in 10th, 11th, 12th, they have a lot of exposure. उन्होंने बहुत सारी बेसिक चीजें 10th की कर ली, NCERT कर ली है. This is the assumption that is there. So again, assumption is ये सब चीजें ऑलरेडी कर ली है. ग्रेड NCERT ग्रेड 10th कर लिए. अगर 11th नहीं की तो 11th के relevant topics, 12th इतना ज्यादा मैथ्स में इतना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है as far as IOQM is concerned, but 11th के relevant topics should definitely be done. Exemplar grade 10 अगर 10th कर लिया तो ये this should not be taking a lot of time, and RD Sharma of 8, 9, 10th I'm assuming they have already done. On the basis of this, there are certain books which are common. For example, VOS IOQM book is common, CTPCM is common, which I had also recommended for grades 7th, 8th, 9th students. Problem solving strategies by Arthur Angel is new edition. ये उन बच्चों को definitely करना चाहिए, not only for IOQM, but again this is one book which is definitely going to raise your problem solving abilities to the next level. So ये जो book है ये normally जानी जाती है combinatorics के लिए, and theory is not there. Solve examples are there, practice problems are there, solutions are there, answers are there. Normally for combinatorics and algebra, and this is on the difficult side because that contains a lot of other I would say things or techniques which are not normally present in other books, right? So this is something which is very important. Then there is Higher Algebra by Holland Knight. This is the same book, and Problem Primer, the same book, right? So this is part 1. Okay, so part 1 I can get aside if you want to take the screenshot. Then part 2, in excursion in mathematics, this was again recommended for the students 8, 9, 10, same book. Elementary Number Theory by David Burton, Math Circles, Pathfinder Junior, and this is an edition. Rushil Mathur's exploration of Olympiad combinatorics. Combinatorics में ना बहुत ज़्यादा books है नहीं, right? So there is either the JEE portion of combinatorics or there is the INMO level portion of combinatorics. There is nothing in between. So this is there was a lot of gap. बहुत कम बुक्स थी जो उस गैप को फिल करती थी, ठीक है. सो जेई परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन एंड द हायर लेवल, सो देयर आर गुड बुक्स एट इनमो लेवल, आरएमओ लेवल, बट ये जो गैप था देयर वाज हार्डली एनी बुक. सो दिस book by Rushil Mathur, he was also gold medalist. He represented India and won gold. He's in Oxford right now, and so this book has filled that gap. So यहाँ पे theory है, solve examples हैं, कम है but है, and problem practice, answer solutions hai, but this book is recommended, definitely recommended, a plus for combinatorics. So students who want to get into combinatorics, want to improve their logic, want to learn new techniques, this book is definitely recommendation. Level basics से start होता है and it goes till the higher levels. So again मैंने यहाँ पे medium डाला हुआ है, right? So these are some of the books. Apart from that, there are certain problem practice books. So these books contain only the practice problems. So 101 algebra, 102 combi, 103 trigonometry, 104 number theory, and 107 geometry. These 5 books are by one of the greatest mathematicians, T2 Indescu. So ये 5 books हैं जहाँ पर intro problems हैं और फिर advanced problems हैं. तो ये 5 books तुम कर सकते हो. Apart from this, challenging problems in geometry and challenging problems in in algebra by the same author, Alfred. Right, so these are again some of my recommendations जो मैं अपने हर students को बताता हूँ, and ये काफी अच्छे books हैं. A lot of students have benefited from these books. Previous year questions कौन से करने हैं 8, 10th, 11th, 12th के बच्चों को? One is AMC 10. AIME के previous year questions are really amazing. They are very tough, but again they are amazing. Of course IOQM के previous year questions करने हैं. NMTC junior and senior also. So NMTC junior and senior मतलब 11th और 12th वाले जो नंबर थ्योरी के जो प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, they are really good, they are really amazing. So those are definitely AMC 12 and NMTC okay इंटर ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. तो ये कुछ प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन है जो तुम एडिशनली कर सकते हो इफ यू हैव मोर टाइम. INMO for students who are already INMO qualified. So again, we have a level 10 batch which is running for them. So again, for them, the previous recommendation is previous questions of IMO, APMO, EGMO. These are amazing problem set and IMOTC camp handouts. Okay. How to use books. So as I mentioned, there are different students who have different capabilities. So I used to be a very slow learner when I used to prepare for JEE. So I needed a very basic book which had a lot of solved examples. R.D. Sharma kind of book. So R.D. Sharma kind of books I used to do before any chapter was to be started. Right. So if my teacher wanted to start, let's say something like state lines. So I would do R.D. Sharma on my own beforehand so that I am able to understand that lecture on my own really well. Right. So I was that kind of student, a slow learner. Right. So, but some of my friends would not require this kind of thing. Right. So because they had faster learning capabilities. So it totally depends on what kind of student are you, what has been your background, किस तरीके से तुमने पढ़ाई की है. So इस पे बहुत ज़्यादा depend करता है. So that is why I mentioned there are no common books for IOQM for everyone. Right. So two students, they might require two different books. ठीक है. तो that is why it is very important to know what kind of student are you and तुम किस तरह की learning capabilities तुम्हारे अंदर हैं and किस तरह के books तुम्हें चाहिए. Right. So it is very important to identify that. Right. So if you are someone who requires a lot of solved examples like I did, then you pick up a very basic book and gain confidence and then go higher. But again, if you're someone who is able to grasp a new concept very quickly, then you are ready to go for a higher concept. अब इसमें यार दो चीजें होती हैं. So one is if you are at this level, let's say, ठीक है. So again, we cannot define the level, but again, सोच लो कि तुम ये इस level पे हो, and if there's a book which of this level, right? So इस level की book है, then you will be able to solve all the problems of this book. So this book is also not very beneficial for you. Okay. And if you're at this level and you pick a book which is at this level, then you will not be able to solve a lot of problems on your own. You would have to watch the solution, see the solution of every problem. Then that book is also not very useful. Okay. So, and because you will be losing confidence also because you're not able to solve even a single problem. And यहाँ पर confidence आएगा जब ये वाली book है और तुम्हारा level यहाँ पर है. But again, it is going to be a fake confidence because वो level IOCM का होगा ही नहीं. Right. So it is very important you choose the right book. That is why a lot of these books have the PDF versions which are being circulated free on Telegram. And if you don't have, you can always connect to me on Telegram. I'll send you some of the PDFs which I have, and you can go through those PDFs, see what books suit you more, and then you can order them or get it printed. Right. So ये बहुत important है. किस तरीके से book use करनी है? So pick any book. ठीक है. And go through the concept portion. जब तुम किसी भी concept portion को पढ़ते हो, कोई भी new theory पढ़ते हो, so there are three things which I always say you should be doing. One is feel. Feel is very important. So feel the theorem, feel any good formula. The second is apply. So you should be able to see what is the application. Why is this theorem being made? What was the kind of problem which we were not able to solve before this theorem, now we are able to solve. And the third is proof. Try to find the proof on your own before looking at the proof in the book. This third thing, you might fail in 90% of the cases. That's perfectly fine. But again, at least try on your own. So feel, prove, apply. These are the three things that you should be doing after going through any concept using the solved example. So solved example is very important because otherwise बच्चे पूछते हैं कि सर हमें कैसे सपना आएगा कि ये करना है, because this is the kind of idea which is new. तो वो आइडियाज जो होते हैं ना वो प्रूफ से आते हैं और सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स आते हैं. सो दैट इज द सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स आर देयर. दैट इज व्हाई any teacher would do certain kind of solve examples to give you exposure of all the possible techniques, and you kind of use the techniques, modify those techniques in the new problems that you get. So use solve examples, understand how to approach the questions, the practice unsolved problems, gain confidence, and practice previous year questions. Okay, so this is how you use any book which has concepts. If there's a problem book, only problems, then of course you do the problems. There is no other way. Okay. Again, for the students who want to prepare on their own, who are preparing on their own, the YouTube series that we have on this channel, we have been making the YouTube series for the last 6 years now, right? So for the first timers, 2020, 2021, 2020 series is there, 21 series is there, 22 series is there. This is particularly for the students who want to get into Olympiads for the first time. For the students who are certificate holders who have done the preparation once, 23, 24, 25 and 26 series, IOCM 26 series, which I'm currently making, it has already 47 videos. Last year it has 168 videos, 25 series. So you can follow these, and these are some of the playlists for problem practice. So there is IOCM Sprint series, there is IOCM 21, 22 series, and Daily Dose. For geometry particularly, this is one of the best series on YouTube for IOCM, which has been made by Chetan sir. You should not miss this. All of these series are there on the home page. If you go down, scroll down, there's a line which has IOCM playlist. There's another line having RMO playlist. There's another line having INMO playlist. RMO, INMO. So these are the conceptual playlists which I've made beyond textbook, INMO Basics and INMO 2022. So this is the playlists which go beyond a certain level, beyond the IOCM level. And for problem practice, all these playlists are there. All of these are a part of the home page. So home page, if you scroll down, there are lines having different playlists. You can always choose one of those playlists and get comfortable. RMO, INMO, प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पिछले 30 सालों से हमने जितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स IOCM में, RMO में, INMO में आए, उन सब का प्लेलिस्ट बनाया हुआ है. सो IOCM में इस तरह की प्री RMO फ्लैशबैक के नाम से प्लेलिस्ट है, जहां पे 2000 onwards we've made the video solution of every problem. Likewise for RMO, 1990 से लेके अभी तक जितने भी problems हुए हैं, उन सब के हमने video solution बनाए हुए हैं. Likewise for INMO also, INMO flashback series is there. So all the problems which have been asked in INMO, we have made the video solutions of all those problems. You can always use them and find कि किस तरीके से नए approaches से problems होते हैं. Also, for the students who want to join our batches, this is an amazing time and opportunity. All of these batches which prepare you for IOCM or at least prepare you for the basics are going to start very soon. So level 5, which is for the students of 7th and 8th graders, is going to start from 7th May, and weekend version of this is going to start from 14th of May. Level 6 is going to start from 2nd of May. Level 6 is for the students who are in 9th or 10th or 8th who want to get into Olympiad preparation for the first time. The second timers who have already prepared once, have completed grade 10 syllabi. This is the batch, level 7 batch, which is going to start from 6th of May. Target IOCM 2026 batch is a weekday batch. This is for the students who are already engaged in some activity during the peak hours, evening hours, but are free post 9 p.m. So 3 days a week. 9 p.m., 9 to 10:30, we'll be taking the classes targeting this particular exam, and then the full math mastery and target ISI. Right. So all of these links are there in the description box. You can always check these links, and if you want to join, you can join them also. Right. So this is how it is. So level 5 for 7th and 8th. Level 5 के अंदर IOCM की preparation नहीं होती, but हम सोचना सिखाते हैं. Level 6 is IOCM, यहाँ पे स्टार्ट हो जाता है, बट 9th और 10th ग्रेडर्स के लिए, फर्स्ट टाइमर्स के लिए, अगर 10th कंप्लीट कर लिए, एक बार IOCM की प्रिपरेशन ऑलरेडी कर लिए, then level 7 and 8, 9, 10 are restricted entries. So that's it from my side. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Take care. God bless you. Bye everyone. And if there is anything that you want to ask related to this, please put in the comment section. Bye all.